Italian for Beginners, Lezione 3, seconda parte. 3 other points aren't in your book. 1. The letter zeta is always pronounced either z or ts, and which one of these to use depends on the word. 2. When esse comes between two vowels or before certain consonants, it is pronounced z. So you'll get words like rosa or sbaglio. Remember to be pronouncing all of these after I do. 3. R is always pronounced rolled or flipped, as in parlare. Let's move on to consonanti doppie. Now, when you have a double consonant in an Italian word, you pronounce that consonant longer. Sometimes a single versus a double consonant does affect the meaning of the word. The examples the book gives are sete, sette, pala, palla, papa, pappa, moto, motto, dona, donna, fato, fatto. Here are some more examples of words with double consonants. Keep repeating these after me. Ballerina, antenna, mamma, spaghetti, zucchini, piccolo, confetti, Anna, villa, amaretto. The last section is accento tonico. This covers a really important topic, which is word stress. Most Italian words have the stress on the second to last syllable, like in minestrone, Maria, and cominciamo. That said, there are almost as many exceptions to this rule as examples of it. First of all, any word that has an accent over a final vowel is stressed on that vowel. The examples are città, caffè, così, però, virtù. The second group of more unusual words have the stress on the third to last syllable. Some of these include camera, credere, Mario, numero, and telefono. In your textbook, you'll see that these words have little dots under the accented syllable. So if you see a dot there, you'll know that that's where to put the stress. So that covers the meat of this section. For the homework, read the nota culturale on pagina 13 and do the esercizi on pagina 10. Again, I encourage you to work on your pronunciation using other resources as well. Like I said, this section is pretty information dense, so try to familiarize yourself with it, but don't worry if you don't have it all down 100% before the next lesson. As always, please leave questions in the comments section, message me if you need additional help or tutoring, and subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful. Arrivederci.